Welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on my exhaust. Recently I got a new exhaust. It's used, but to me it's new. I'm just tired. God damn it, my mic wasn't even plugged in this entire time. I'm just tired of this stock sound and I just wanted something different. So I got a good deal. I got a new exhaust, used exhaust, but you know, I don't really care. It's in pretty decent condition. My dad and I fixed it up last night. There were a couple of rust spots. We wire brushed those away. We fixed it. So I'm going to be spending this morning just wire brushing off like all the crud and crap off of it. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. As you can tell, it's not in the greatest condition. Dude, I'm just tired of being quieter than a Prius. And, oh, it's 9 o'clock now. I'm gonna be using a wire brush, and that shit's loud. So, and I live relatively close to my neighbors. I live in a townhome, so that's why. Fuck it, it's 9 o'clock. They should be awake. If they're not awake, that's their fault. I'm just doing this just to seal the metal. I don't want it to rust again because it's gonna hit rain and a bunch of stuff like that. So I'm just sealing it just for safety. I just don't want it to rust again and I don't want it to be ugly. So I'm just gonna go with black since nobody's gonna see it, so I don't really care. I mean, I do care, but still. I got one side done. I'm gonna go take a lunch break. When I come back, I will finish this and then I'll hopefully get it mounted today. I still need to finish polishing the tips. It's great, dude. There's the finished product. It's not the prettiest, but it's coated and it's not gonna rust. I'm just gonna finish polishing the tips and then we'll be on our way. All right, so I'm done letting it dry. I'm just gonna wrap it up in some trash bags and then put it in my car and then head to my uncle's shop. Fuck. So that was a bitch to get in, but I got it in.
6 hours later.
This thing is loud, very loud. I'm pretty sure the audio is blown out. The drone, once it's warm, it doesn't bother me at all. I hated the way it sounded stock because it didn't sound like nothing. I'm about to get in some trouble. I got dark tints and I got a loud exhaust. I'll try to get more sound clips for you in the meantime. I'm gonna go have some fun. To recap what just happened, I installed a exhaust. It's really just a muffler delete with the front pipe attached, or with the mid pipe attached. This is the part where I say my neighbors are going to hate me, but that's just what every car YouTuber says, so. I'm not even a car YouTuber, by the way. I just do things with my car. The car is super dirty. I'm gonna go get it clean. I don't know what else to do.